this is Milia. Now I'm in our assemble department. This workshop is for we to assemble the PO machines here. Every day we will make the machines according to the order confirmed. So from here you can see is all the machines ready for assemble, and after assemble finished we will do the testing in this department. Beside me, you can see our workers now are doing the 3 components machine installation. We are experienced in producing the polyurethane machine since in 1986. We can make a lot of type of the machines like the ovens, PU foaming machines, reactor, and other auxiliary equipment to support the automatically production line. And here you can see there is our another type of the MDI casting machines, which is the installation process. If you are interested in our machines, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.